In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut to the keyboard in Google Translate. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the desktop version, not a mobile browser window. When Chrome opens, you should see your usual homepage or a new tab with the search box in the center and your toolbar along the top. As long as you see the Chrome address bar and the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, you are in the right place to begin. Now move to that upper right corner and click the three-dot icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several rows of options, including items like New Tab, History, and Downloads. Take a second to confirm that the menu is actually open before you continue. Many beginners click slightly too high and miss the button, so if nothing appears, just click the three dots again until the menu is clearly visible. From this menu, tap Extension. In many Chrome setups, this option appears as extensions near the lower part of the list, close to other tools. When you select it, Chrome opens a new page in a tab. At the top of this page, you should see the word Extensions and a grid or list of any add-ons you already have installed. This tells you that you are now viewing the Chrome Extensions area. From there, go to Chrome Web Store. There is usually a link or a button that opens the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. Once that tab loads, you will see a search bar on the left and sections for recommended or popular extensions. The Chrome Web Store is where all official browser extensions are listed, so anything you install here will plug into Chrome automatically. Next, install a Google Translate shortcut extension. For example, look for one named Keyboard Shortcuts for Google Translate. Type that name into the store search box, then press Enter. You should see a matching result with an Add to Chrome button. Click that button and confirm in the small pop-up. After a moment, Chrome will show a short message near the toolbar telling you that the extension has been added. With the extension installed, open the extension settings. One quick way is to look near the top right of Chrome for a new icon linked to the extension. Click that icon, then choose Options or Settings in the small menu that appears. This opens a settings page for the extension in a new tab, usually with several labeled sections or fields. Now choose a shortcut key combination. On the settings page, look for a field that lets you set or edit the keyboard shortcut. Click inside that field, then press the keys you want to use together, such as a control key plus a letter. The field should update and display your chosen keys, so you can verify the exact combination before you move on. After picking the keys, save the shortcut. There will normally be a Save or Apply button on the settings page. Click that button once. When it works, the page either shows a brief confirmation message or simply stops showing any unsaved changes. From now on, the extension will listen for that shortcut while you are using Chrome. Finally, use the shortcut while on Google Translate. Open the Google Translate website, then press your new key combination. Depending on the extension, you might see focus jump to the text box, a translation trigger, or another helpful action, all controlled by the shortcut you just set. You have now installed a Chrome extension and created a custom keyboard shortcut that works on Google Translate. If this helps streamline your translations, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical Chrome tips.